Hi friends, welcome to our channel. இன்னைக்கு இந்த வீடியோல PG TRB கம்ப்யூட்டர் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்டருக்கான வீடியோ தான் இது. இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஆப்பரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம் பார்ட் 2 பார்க்க போறோம். பார்ட் 1 வந்து 50 क्वेश्चंस போட்டுருக்கேன். பிளேலிஸ்ட் ஆப்பரேட்டிங் சிஸ்டம்னு ஒரு பிளேலிஸ்ட் கிரியேட் பண்ணிருக்கேன். அதுல இருக்க வீடியோ செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. பார்க்காதவங்க பார்ட் 1 பார்க்காதவங்க பார்ட் 2 பார்க்கலாம். First question, the register to register instructions which perform indicated operations on two fast registers of the machine and leave the result in one of the registers. Second question, a page fault is an access to a page not currently in memory. Another question, an algorithm is best described as a step-by-step procedure for solving a problem. Another question, the process of transferring data intended for a peripheral devices into a disk or intermediate store so that it can be transferred to peripheral at a more convenient time or in bulk is known as spooling. Another question, block caches on buffer caches are used to improve disk performance. Another question, which of the following statement is false? Internal fragmentation is increased with small pages. கொஞ்சம் ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்க கஷ்டமா இருக்கும், அதான் கொஞ்சம் ஸ்லோவா போறேன். இப்போ ஃபாஸ்டா போகணும்னா நீங்க கமெண்ட்ஸ்ல சொல்லுங்க. The action of passing the source program into the proper syntactic classes is known as lexical analysis. Eighth question, which of the following is not true about the description of a decision table? A decision table is directly understood by the computer. ஒன்பதாவது question, Trojan horse programs are legitimate programs that allow unauthorized access. When did IBM release the first version of disk operating system, DOS version 1.0? In 1981. பதினோராவது question, which of the following is false about disk when compared to main memory? Faster. பன்னிரெண்டாவது question, producer consumer problem can be solved using semaphore, event counters, monitors, all the above. பதிமூணாவது question, most of the microcomputers operating system like Apple, DOS, MS-DOS and PC-DOS etc. are called disk operating system because they are initially stored on disk. பதினாலாவது question, the CPU after receiving an interrupt from an IO device branches off to the interrupt service routine after completion of the current instruction. பதினஞ்சாவது question, seek analysis is used for analyzing device busy problems. பதினாறாவது question, which is a permanent database in the general model of compiler? Terminal table. பதினேழாவது question, what is the name of the technique in which the operating system of a computer executes several programs concurrently by switching back and forth between them? Multitasking. பதினெட்டாவது question, Operating system provides a layered, user-friendly interface. 19வது question. Software that measures, monitors, analyzes, and controls real-world event is called real-time software. 20வது question. The details of all external symbols and relocation of formation is provided to linker by translator. 21வது question. The macro processor must perform recognize macro definitions and macro calls, save the macro definitions, expand macros calls and substitute arguments. All of the above the answer. 22வது question. A development strategy whereby the executive control modules of a system are coded and tested first is known as top-down development. 23வது question. Which of the following is helpful in evaluating application software? What will best suit your needs? Recommendation by other users, computer magazines, objective software reviews. All the above answer. 24வது question. What problem is solved by 24வது question. What problem is solved by Dijkstra's Banker's algorithm? Deadlock avoidance. 25வது question. The dispatcher actually scheduled the task into the processor. 26வது question. System programs such as compilers are designed so that they are re-enterable. 27வது question. IBM released its first PC in 1981. Can you name the operating system which was most popular at that time? CPM. 28வது question. If the number of bits in a virtual address of a program is 16 and the page size is 0.5 kilobytes, the number of pages in the virtual address space is 128. 29வது question. Which table is a permanent database that has an entry for each terminal symbol? Terminal table. 30வது question. The function of the syntax phase is to recognize the major constructs of the language and to call the appropriate action routines that will generate the intermediate form or matrix for these constructs. 31வது question. Swapping allows each program in turn to use the memory. 32வது question. A disk scheduling algorithm in an operating system causes the disk arm to move back and forth across the disk surface in order to service all requests in its path. This is a scan. 33வது question. A translator is best described as a system software. 34வது question. Data encryption is mostly used by financial networks. 35வது question. What is the name given to the process of initializing a microcomputer with its operating system? Warm booting. 36வது question. The function of the storage assignment is to assign store to all variable referenced in the source program, to assign store to all temporary location that are necessary for intermediate results, to assign storage to literals and to ensure that the storage is allocated and appropriate locations are initialized. All of the above the answer. 37வது question. A processor is a device that performs a sequence of operations specified by instruction in memory. 38வது question. With MS-DOS, which command will divide the surface of the blank floppy disk into sectors and assign a unique address to each one? Format command. 39வது question. Multi-programming allows multiple programs to reside in separate areas of core at the time. 40வது question. A translator which reads an entire program written in high-level language and converts into machine language code is compiler. 41வது question. The advantages inherent to using high-level language is fewer people, less management and shorter transition in learning time, improved debugging capability and superior documentation, a greater degree of machine independence. All of the above. 42வது question. Addressing modes are variations in the use of fundamental addressing structures or some associated actions which are related to addressing. 43வது question. In which ways a macro processor for assembly language can be implemented? Independent 2-pass processor, independent 1-pass processor, processor incorporated into pass 1 of standard 2-pass assembler. All of the above. இது எல்லாமே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க, கொஞ்சம் கஷ்டமாக தான் இருக்கும். இதில் வந்து இந்த 3 ஆப்ஷனில் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஆப்ஷன் கூட கொடுத்து கேட்கலாம், அதனால் நீங்கள் 3ஐயுமே ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் இதில் வந்து ஒரு 10 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் மட்டும், ஒரு டெஸ்ட் மாதிரி 10 கொஸ்டின் மட்டும் எடுத்து கொடுக்குறேன், உங்களுக்கு தெரியுதான்னு செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. 44வது கொஸ்டின். Which of the following is a type of system software used on microcomputers? MS-DOS, PC-DOS, Unix. All of the above. 45வது கொஸ்டின். The working set theory of programming behavior of processes running within an operating system involves the collection of pages that a process accesses. 46வது question. Operating system is a collection of software routines. 47வது question. A file organization component of a VSAM file is relative record dataset, keyed sequential dataset, entry sequential dataset. All of the above the answer. 48வது question. What is the name given to the software which can be legally compiled and often used for free? Public domain program. 49வது question. The SJF algorithm execute first the job with the least processor needs. 50வது question. In which of the storage placement strategies a program is placed in the largest available hole in the main memory? Worst fit. இதோட 50 questions முடிஞ்சிச்சு. அடுத்து பார்ட் 3 பார்க்கலாம். சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணி வச்சுக்கோங்க, அப்போ தான் நான் போடுற வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வரும். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.